Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. Happy New Year's Eve. Today is December 31st. Oh my goodness. December 31st, 2020, the last day of 2020. Thank goodness. Goodbye 2020, because it was a rough year, but we managed through it and here we are. Okay, so if you like unboxing videos, if you like beauty subscription videos or things just like that, this is the channel for you. If you would like to follow me on social media, which I have it at Facebook and Instagram at DeSoto Beauty Subscription, go ahead and follow me there. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm just happy because today's New Year's Eve. That's what this video is all about. So I have for you my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month of December 2020. If you don't know what Ipsy Plus is, it is a $25 monthly beauty subscription. You get 5 full-size products, 3 you get to choose, and 2 Ipsy chooses for you. Now you will get in here skincare or makeup products depending on what items you get to choose. Now I did open this box already and I got to play with some of the products in here, plus play with some items that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag and Ipsy Ultimate. And if you haven't seen those videos yet, go check those out as well. And yeah, so let's do this. Okay, now I do have my refreshment program in here as well. So because Ipsy has another program, another subscription basically, but this is what it looks like. All right, so this is Ipsy Refreshment. It's another subscription, but it's more skincare subscription. In here you will get 2 products, but in the following months you can add more than 2 products in here, but with an added cost. So for the month of December, I got this bag for free to try it out. I did get the wipes and the hand cream here. Here it is. The hand cream is amazing. It smells amazing. I got to try it out. This bag will be my daughter's because I used hers because I wanted to try it out. So the hand cream is amazing. It really synced into my hands. It felt great. I did try it out today. It is amazing. The wipes, I did get to try them out. I said it in my previous video that I really don't use wipes to wipe my face off, you know, wipe the makeup off, but I did try it out. It did do its job, but I just don't care for the smell, but I don't know. But yeah, that's what's in here. For next month, I'm able to add the body cream in there. I could add that into plus with these 2 products, or I could take one of these products out and just add the body cream in there. I haven't decided yet what I'm gonna do, but I have to decide that like today or else they're just gonna send me those products, the hand cream and the wipes. Okay, so let's jump in to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Here is the bag. It looks like a Santa bag. But I gotta say, this one feels a lot better than the Ipsy Glam Bag, which was the $12 one. That one was a horrible feel. I didn't care for it. But I really don't care for this bag as well. We did get a card in here, and it is Ipsy #Ipsy Holidays, home for the holidays. And of course, in the card I don't have any of my products on here, just tells me some tips and stuff like that, but I do have my phone here and I do have my app open and ready to be. The product that I got in here is the Ibby Fireside eyeshadow palette. And if you've seen my Ipsy Glam Bag, the regular one, you will know that I did purchase one in that one and as an add-on, and this was in my bag, and it was gonna go for a Instagram giveaway, so stay tuned for that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you can be up to date and know when I'm gonna do the giveaway. But if you want to see what this palette looks like, or I'll insert a picture here too, but also go see my video. But this is the one I am going to put in the giveaway. and I did check it and it is perfectly intact and everything. But this is the Ibby Beauty Fireside eyeshadow palette. It is valued at $15. You get 9 pan size in here of eyeshadows. And yeah, it's a really nice palette. I'll even show you the picture here. There we go. So you get like some, don't focus on my face. You get some greens and some reds. So yeah, like more neutral colors and stuff like that. So the next product that I received, and I did get to try this out, and it is on my eyebrows. This is the second time I tried this out and I love it. This is the Complex Culture Full Out Tinted Volumize Brow Gel in Soft Brunette. This retails for $18, and of course this is full size. Tame, shape, and tint your brows all in a few quick swipes with this multitasking gel. Plus, the more you use it, the better your brows will be thanks to Biotin. Oh my goodness, I can't say it. Biotin, a known hair strengthener and conditioner. So yes, I did try this out and I do love it. I did try it on top of like a powder, eyebrow powder stuff that I put on my eyes. It is really nice. I thought it wasn't going to be my color. Look at all my fingerprints on it. I thought it wasn't going to be my color, but it is amazing. Here is what it looks like. It's really nice, and like I said, it fit me. That's the color. It did fit me. It did its job. I do like how it looks on my eyebrows. It's an amazing product. Like I said, this is the second time I'm using it and I do love it. So I'm glad. And I believe Ipsy, yes, Ipsy chose this for me. They chose the palette, and the next product is what I chose, and it's another Complex Culture product. Here we go. So basically everything that I wore on my face is all Complex Culture, okay? So this is the Overtime Blush and Contour Duo in Pink Slip and Power Play. This is full size and it retails for $35. This contour and blush set is exactly what you need to sculpt and brighten your complex like a pro. Both powders are infused with nourishing cremades and hydrolyzed silks to make your skin look and feel silky smooth. Okay, so I tried this out and I do have the blush on, and I hope my camera picks it up because it is a gorgeous blush, but I will swatch it for you. And I tried out the bronzer. This is the second time I'm using this again because I did use it yesterday. And I did try actually the contour, but I put on top the Too Faced bronzer. But this is what it looks like. It is a really, really, really gorgeous, you know, palette here for your face. The blush is what I'm in love with, like literally in love with. And I use Complex Culture brushes for to put on this makeup look. Look at that blush. It is amazing. So that is the contour on the bottom. It is a little bit on, like, it's a little lighter. It's a lot lighter. That's why I had to put the Too Faced bronzer on my face, the Chocolate Soleil, just so I can like get more of a bronzy look. But I gotta say, I do like this, and I'm still gonna play around with this more. But yeah, I'm just glad I got to choose. So the next product is also a Complex Culture product. Here it is. This is the Set and Go translucent finishing powder in Clarity. This is full size and it retails for $28. This talc-free loose powder formula flawlessly sets, blurs, and modifies your complex in one simple step. It's infused with hydrolyzed silks and cremates to draw moisture to the skin, plus botanic rich blue lotus flower extract to give skin a soft, radiant glow. Use a fluffy brush to dust in the powder on skin. So I did try this out. This one is the first time I'm using it. I do like it. I love the way it felt on my skin. I did use a Complex Culture's powder brush for this. It is really amazing. This is what the packaging looks like. I love Complex Culture packaging. I don't know what it is about it. It just looks really nice and sleek. You can see on my fingerprints on this, but here is what it looks like. Probably gonna have powder all over the place, but that's what it looks like. It has like this netting thing in there, and then that's like a little stopper right there, but it is gorgeous. I just love this. Look at that. That's the net. But it is really nice and it feels very comfortable on the skin. I do use Ciate London powder on my face. I can't remember the name of it, but I do use that one, and this one is just good as that one as well. So like I said, I do enjoy this, and I did choose this one. Okay, now the last product I chose, and the reason I chose this product is because I think my choice items weren't that great on the list. So I was like, you know what, I'll just choose this because I hardly ever choose hair product. And here it is. This is the r+co centerpiece all-in-one Elixir Spray. This is full size and retails for $32. This multitasking Elixir Spray hydrates, nourishes, and makes styling so easy. It packs with sea buckthorn oil, hyaluronic acid to smooth strands, amp up the shine, and fight frizz and static for hours. It basically comb through clean, damp hair and then style as usual. So yeah, this is what I chose. So I'm not mad at it. I will try it out and see how I like it. It is just like a styling spray. So yeah, that's all I can say. And then the last thing in here, it's a add-on, and it is the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. This is my favorite serum of all time from Hey Honey, and this was only like $3, and of course I had to pick it up and put it in my box, you know. But I do love this. Okay, so yeah, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. The total amount of what my box is worth this month. Okay, and today in my eyes I did use a Complex Culture product, and I got to use, this is actually the palette that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. The palette that I showed you in my Ipsy Ultimate was actually my add-on. Now this is the palette that Ipsy chose for me, and what I got, it is beautiful, it is gorgeous, it is what I have in my eyes today. Check that out. It is wonderful. So I did get to use Clean, Toast, Chestnut, Redwood, and I think I did go into chocolate, I can't remember, but I used bronze, and what's like on my lid is honey, bronze and honey. I did use that, and then I did go in with rose gold in the inner corner of my eyes. And this is a gorgeous palette. It is like, hey, let's get ready to party. So I'm definitely going to be wearing this tonight on New Year's Eve here, just in home with PJs. But I'm going to go glammed up, okay? Glammed up. Okay, so the next product that I got to use is Complex Culture Executive Level Mascara that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. So I'm telling you, I use all Complex Culture mostly all over my face. The only thing that I did not have was a highlight at all. I did not have a highlight with Complex Culture, or a lip product as well. So this is the one that I got. I didn't open up in the other video because I was like, oh, I'm not gonna open this up or whatever, but I did use it in this look. And look at that wand. It has a curve to it and everything. Now the first time I used it, I was like, it's not really doing the much to my lashes or whatever. The second time I used it, I was like, oh, okay, I started to see it. It gives me the length, but it does not volumize my lashes at all. And I did use it with another mascara, which it was El Maquillage mascara. But I'm still gonna play around with it because I know with mascara you do have to give it a couple more uses before you start seeing what it's supposed to do, I guess. But Happy New Year's. See you all next year. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, Don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, which is Facebook and Instagram at DSoto Beauty Subscription. And that is it. Lots of love. Please be safe out there and stay healthy. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.